because we're almost 8. That's why it's only 8 students.
Only 8 students are here.
Yeah,
I'm still waiting for the rest.
Oh, it's already 10.
It's already 10 indeed. So how do you find the exam in Filipino? Is it hard, easy, average?
Easy. Because it's only CC na, like
Ready. Yeah, easy. PC. Lemon. Busy.
Are you sure? Some says it's hard.
Oh, no. I did not say it's hard.
They said it's so hard.
It's
It's easy. Because you're only gonna answer CC na because you're just
and you're only talking. So easy.
yeah. It's so easy.
It's okay if you find the exam easy. It means you are actually paying attention with the exam. It's just that you didn't study that much. That's why.
What? You didn't study that much?
It's hard. It's easy if you study a lot. If you study the lessons that we had. But it is hard. It is hard if you didn't study that much, right? Okay, so someone said that the subject is easy, but the talking is hard.
Yeah.
I see.
The talking is hard.
Yes, I can see that.
Yeah, but the classmate is vertical. We know Filipino.
Exactly. So let's go over now and let's review. So the instruction given, basahin ang mga sumusunod na pangungusap. Piliin ang tamang pantukoy upang mabuo ang idea neto. Pilo ka ng titik na napiling sagot. So, ano ba yung pantukoy? What is pantukoy again? Can you tell me what the meaning of pantukoy is?
Sila ang mga...
Pantukoy. Ano yung pantukoy? What is pantukoy?
Verb.
Ha?
Verb.
Verb?
Verb.
Verb. Are you sure?
Pantukoy. Just give us a minute, teacher. Where did that thing?
Okay, I'm gonna give you time to think. Kung ano ang pantukoy.
The pampalana and the pantangi. Yes.
Okay, pantukoy. In English, they are articles or determiners. Example, the.
That's what I mean. It's just like
Sisina.
Okay, now, let's answer number 1. Number 1. Naglalaro blank bata sa palaruan. What do you think is the correct answer? Sina ang mga
palaruan.
Naglalaro bata sa palaruan. So what do you think is the correct answer?
Yeah, it's yeah, see.
Okay, the correct answer is Naglalaro ang bata sa palaruan. Can you say naglalaro mga bata sa palaruan?
Naglalaro.
Naglalaro si bata sa palaruan. Okay. So, bata is, what is it? Pambalana or pantangi?
Pantangi.
Hmm? Are you
Pantangi.
sure?
Yeah.
Ala, somebody forgot pambalana at pantangi.
Pambalana.
Hmm? Ano ba ang pambalana? What is pambalana?
Common noun.
Hmm? Okay. Common noun and proper noun. Remember that, right? Okay, next. Let's have another one. Number 2. Can you please answer number 2? Technical names.
Bagong.
Okay, Zachary.
Perform.
Nagpunta sa bayin Helen at Gio.
Nagpunta sa baybayin
Sina.
Helen at Gio. So what is the correct answer? C, sina, ang, or ang mga?
Sina.
Sina. Yes, letter B. Sina. Nagpunta sa baybayin sina Helen at Gio. Number 3. Number 3, Seth.
Okay. Number 3. Nakita mo ba ang bag ko?
Nakita mo ba ang bag ko? Okay, the correct answer is
B.
B. Letter B. Number 4. Another one. Razel. Razel.
Lumipad ang mga lumipad sinalot.
Letter B.
B.
C.
D. D. D.
D.
Yes.
Okay. Lumipad ang mga lobo sa langit. The correct answer is letter D. Okay. But it can also be letter C. The answer is C and D. Next, number 5. Number 5, let's have Andre.
Oh no, that's really hard.
Andre? Okay, Andre, can you please answer number 5? Hello, Andre.
Help.
Andre is not answering. Okay, let me call Johan.
Dito ay ang lagi alang
Aking alagang palaka.
Si Kiko ay ang aking alagang palaka.
Okay. Blank, Kiko ay ang aking alagang palaka. So what's your answer, Johan? A, B, C, or D?
Si siguro.
Letter?
B.
A.
Letter? B. B? Letter C. C? Okay, the correct answer is letter A.
A.
Si Kiko ay ang aking alagang palaka. Next, number 6. Pyron. Pyron?
Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, you're on mute all.
Pyron? Pyron is not answering.
You're mute all. Come on.
Yes, Pyron. What are you looking at? Can you read first?
He's on mute.
Okay, let's have another one to answer. Who wants to volunteer?
Teacher.
Okay, Sean.
Oh,
Yes, Sean.
The answer is letter B.
yes.
It's ang.
Okay, blank,
Yes,
bundok, makiling ay matatagpuan sa Laguna. The answer is?
B.
Munggoy.
Ang.
So the answer is B, ang. Ang bundok, makiling. Next, number 7. Alessandra.
Munggoy. It's L2.
Alessandra?
I was mute. Blank halaman sa bundok ay kahaimba.
Ay
B.
kakaiba.
B.
Letter?
B.
Halaman. Sa bundok. Ay kakaiba. So, ang mga halaman. Next, number 8. Anthony.
Umawa. Blank sa lola. Inaampay para sa akin.
Okay, Anthony. Can you answer number 8?
I know the answer in this one.
Gumawa, blank, Lola Nena ng pie para sa akin. So what is the correct answer? A, B, C, or D? Yes, Anthony.
I don't know.
Okay, who can help Anthony to answer number 8? Who can help Anthony? What's the answer for number 8? Eliza.
It's C. It's C.
Let's see.
Eliza?
It is C.
Number 8.
It's A. It's A. It's A.
You're on mute.
A. I said C.
Okay, the answer is
A.
gumawa.
It's C.
Yes.
Lola Nena ang pie para sa akin.
Okay, so gumawa si Lola Nena ng pie para sa akin. Next, number 9. Number 9, let's have another one. Let me call Aldez.
You type there, you type your answer there. Skip. Not you don't want to copy, type it there, okay? Just answer teacher, okay?
Aldez? Kindly answer number 9.
Me? Number 9.
Here, number 9. Okay, read first. Yes, Aldez.
The answer is C. Or
Blanc Lawas sa San Pablo ay magandang puntahan. So, what is the answer? A, B, C, or D?
A.
Huh?
A.
Letter?
A.
Letter B. Ang lawas sa San Pablo ay magandang puntahan. Letter B. Next, number 10. Let's have another one. Raizel.
Why?
Yes, Raizel. Hello? Okay, can you please read? Blank?
Ali ay punta sa kantin.
A, B, C, or D?
C.
Raizel. D? C, okay. The correct answer is letter C. Na Jaime at Elias ay pupunta sa kantin. Now, let's go to the part 2, test 2. So, what you can see, mga salitang magkasalungat at magkasing kahulugan. What is it in English? Magkasalungat at magkasing kahulugan. Magkasalungat is?
This is
Antonym. Magkasing kahulugan is? Synonym. Okay? Basahin ang mga salitang magkapares sa ibaba. Isulat ang MK kung ang salita ay magkasing kahulugan, MS kung magkasalungat. Now, you have here number 11, makisali, makisama. Is it magkasing kahulugan or magkasalungat? Makisali, makisama.
MK. MK.
MK or MS?
MK.
Okay, the correct answer is MK. MK. Next, number 12. Una, huli. Una, huli. Magkasing kahulugan o magkasalungat? Una, huli.
synonym. MS.
Okay. Ito ay magkasalungat. So, MS. Magkasalungat. Next. Number 13. Malinis, madumi. Malinis, madumi.
MS.
Ito ay magkasalungat. Malinis, madumi. Next, makinis, magaspang. Makinis, magaspang.
Teacher, what is
Cute. Magaspang means rough. Makinis means smooth. So you have smooth and then rough. Makinis, magaspang. Magkasalungat. Next. Number 15. Maliksi, mabilis. Maliksi, mabilis.
Okay.
Mabilis.
Maliksi, mabilis.
MK.
MK. Next. Dumating, umalis. Dumating, umalis. What is it? Magkasingkologan or magkasalungat? Okay, it is magkasalungat. Dumating, umalis. Next, matigas, malambot. Matigas, malambot. Magkasingkahulugan o magkasalungat?
What does matigas?
Okay, matigas, hard. Malambot is soft. Magkasalungan. This one, number 18. Inaaksaya, sinayang. Inaaksaya, sinayang. Magkasing kahulugan o magkasalungan?
MK.
Magkasalungat. Oh! Magkasing kahulugan. Okay, what do you mean by inaksaya? Inaksaya. Inaaksaya. Inaaksaya is wasting. Sinayang is wasting. Okay? Inaaksaya niya ang tubig. Sinayang niya ang tubig. Okay?
Because my mommy said that, and I said, what does that mean? And I told her what, and my mommy said, wasting.
Next, number 19. Labas, loob. Labas, loob. Magkasing kahulugan o magkasalungat. Labas, then loob. In and out. Next, number 20. Tulog, gising. Tulog, gising. Wait.
MK or MS?
MS. Next, number 21. Sariwa, bulok. Sariwa, bulok. Sariwa means fresh. Bulok means rotten. Magkasalungan. Next, number 22. Mabagal, makupad. Mabagal, makupad. Mabagal, makupad. What do you mean by makupad? Makupad is slow. Mabagal is slow. Okay, the answer is magkasing kahulugan.
Yes.
Next, number 23, magtungo, magpunta. Magtungo, magpunta.
Magtungo, minti.
Magtungo is
Oh, it's the same.
go. Okay, magkasing kahulugan. Next, number 24.
Dumadaloy, dumadaan.
Dumadaloy, dumadaan.
Marumi, marusina.
Dumadaloy, dumadaan is magka. Next, marumi, marusing. What do you mean by marumi, marusing? It means dirty. Magkasing kahulugan. Okay, you got it all correct. Right here. All right, so we will just continue the rest in the next Filipino class. For now, let's say goodbye and we'll
Teacher, this is the last Filipino class.
Okay, bye. Last subject. Next subject. See you later.
see you later in values class.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.